Squarespace for musicians, creating website in 8 minutes. Hello guys, Celia here. In this video I'm going to show you how can we easily create a website on Squarespace. If you don't want to deep dive into this platform, we can easily use its main features to create our own website just simply in a few steps. So here we are on squarespace.com and we need to click on get started in the right top corner. If you're new to this platform, you'll have to create an account, but if you already have an account, you'll come to this page here. And as you can see, Squarespace is about customizing its own templates. Of course, we can try to create it from scratch, but it's much easier to interact with templates they provide us. And as you can see, we have a couple of different topics we can find templates about, like art and design, photography, health and beauty, personal and CV, fashion, and so on. So if we are interested in creating a website for a musician, maybe for our portfolio, for our concerts or something like this, we can easily find the necessary template. What you need to know is that you can easily customize every single template for your purposes, for your aims. In my case, I'm going to find something in art and design area. So we'll try to maybe add some additional stuff about music and something like this. So let's try to find something suitable as for us. So I think this one is pretty cool. We can easily create it as a website of our group or something like this. Let's click on a preview to see how will it look like. And you also need to know that basically Squarespace templates are totally responsive and we can easily use them on every single device from phone to PC and nothing hard. So let's try to maybe find something another here. Maybe I think we'll use this template right here. So let's click on start with this template and in a few seconds our website will be automatically created by Squarespace, and all we need to do now is just simply add site title. Let it be like website 1, like as an example, next, and get started. So here we are, and as you can see, this website was created for photographer, but the same thing, we can easily customize all the parts of the website, change this photo, change this text, and it will be like for our music group. So firstly, I recommend you to click on this brush icon and after that manage fonts, colors, animations, and spacing. So I always change font group to this stuff here. As for me, it's much better to see how will it look like. But in this case, I think this one is more suitable. Let's also change our color palette. So click on edit palette and find the necessary one. I think this one is pretty cool. And also I want to change animations to fade. So you can of course change other parameters. In my case, I just simply want to show you an example of how can we choose a template and then just simply customize it in a few minutes. And also let's take a look about spacing. How will margin affect our website? Let it be like this, a little bit wider, close, and I'm going to click on save. And yeah, our website was automatically updated. If you click on exit and exit once more, we can see that we can easily click on edit on this icon here and we'll come to our editor where we can find all the necessary information, all the necessary stuff to interact with our website. And firstly, of course, we need to change this photo and we need to click on delete or edit. Let's click on edit. Now we can upload our own photo to this platform about our group or personal photos for every musician. We can also change the design, add radius, and do some other stuff. And as you can see, this editor shows us that every single element it's possible to customize it. For example, this text here, we can easily delete and then just simply add our own text. We can change color, make it bold, italic, change the alignment, change the font style, and so on. So nothing hard. I would like to basically delete this gallery from our website. So let's click and I'm going to click on edit section and basically it should be somewhere here, manage projects maybe. And let's click on now save. So as you can see, sometimes you won't be able to delete some sections because the template doesn't provide the opportunity to delete it. But for example, this map here, we can easily delete this section here. So let's add, instead of this section, we'll add our people here, our team, or our maybe, you know, supporters or some other stuff, and now it looks like this. And the same thing, we can click on edit content, go to content, and interact with every single element, every single like icon here. So when our website is ready to be published, to be updated, we just simply need to click on save, and after that it will be automatically updated now. On the website area in the left side like menu, we can easily interact with the structure, SEO optimization, and analytics. On the website, we can easily find switch between different pages to design them, to redesign, to recreate. We can also add some additional pages if it's necessary. As for us, just simply click on this button here, and after that you can easily like add something new. On the marketing area, we can optimize SEO, so we can add SEO title, SEO description. It's pretty cool if you want to optimize browsers to show your website as a result for search. And the next thing I wanted to show you is that we can easily use analytics to analyze our traffic. So we can find all the information, we can see the number of visits, bounce rate, unique visitors, and page views. The same stuff, we can analyze geography, like in countries, and do some other stuff. We can also find traffic sources, search keywords, and so on. So yeah, sometimes it could be really helpful if you want to analyze more data about your visitors. And if you're going to discover plans about Squarespace, we can see that they provide us the opportunity to use this platform like in a free trial. They provide like 14 days free trial, as I remember. But after that, in order to like launch your website, you need to use some of these plans, like personal, business, basic commerce, and advanced commerce. And it depends on your choice. If you want to set up only like a website about musician group, I think personal or business is enough. You can find all the parameters right up here. As you can see, business provides a little bit more features, but if you will not use them, I don't think that it's necessary for you to upgrade it to business plan. Personal is enough as for me. So yeah, we have two options, pay annually or monthly. And if you're going to pay annually, we can easily get the best price as for us. So yeah, hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, subscribe, and also leave your comment if you have any questions. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.